If you want to hide apps on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, unfortunately we do not have a dedicated feature that allows you to just hide apps quickly. Instead, what you can do is you can use a secure folder, which is not exactly designed to hide apps, but of course we can use it for that. So in order to set up the secure folder, you can open the settings on your phone, scroll all the way down, go to the security and privacy. Then in here, choose more security and privacy, and then here we have the secure folder. Of course, we're gonna tap on continue in here, tap on these arrows in order to keep going, and you can also use your Google account in order to be able to access the Play Store that we have inside the secure folder. The Play Store is exactly the same as outside of the secure folder, but whenever you install with the secure folder Play Store app, everything is going to be installed inside that secure folder. So in my case, I'm just gonna sign in. I'm just gonna use my Google account that I have in here. We can of course verify ourselves if necessary, and then we will have to create a password for the secure folder. So we can choose one of these standard password types. I'm just gonna choose a pattern in this example. There we go. Enter your password twice that you want to use for the secure folder in order to confirm. And there we go. Now you might see some suggestions that of course you can use if you want to. And the secure folder is ready to be used. Now in order to find the secure folder, by default you should be able to find it in the app drawer. So if we go back to the home screen, and if I open the app drawer, then as you can see here we have the secure folder, which we can easily access. Now, how we can hide apps with the secure folder? So as I mentioned, the secure folder in here has its own Play Store, which you can use to install apps even if you already have the app installed. And of course, everything that you install with this Play Store in here, it is going to be in here in the secure folder. And since the access to the secure folder is restricted, and we have to know the password to be able to access everything that we have inside the secure folder, we can treat it as an option that allows you to hide apps. If you already have an app installed, the one that you want to hide, you can use this plus button in the bottom right corner and choose Add Apps. Now in here, we're gonna choose whatever we want to hide. So let's say I'm gonna choose Facebook, I'm gonna choose Gmail, and I'm gonna choose Instagram. And then we're gonna just confirm by using this check in the bottom right corner. And there we go. Now you can see that these apps have been immediately added to the secure folder. Now these apps have not been moved, they have been sort of like duplicated or just installed once again. Everything I have in here inside the secure folder and everything that is inside of these apps, every data, account, settings, whatever, it is completely separated from everything that I have outside of the secure folder in here. So this means that you will have to, for example, log into your accounts inside these apps or whatever it is necessary to do to be able to use those apps. You might also see this information that we have duplicated apps. This means that inside the secure folder we have something that we also have outside of the secure folder. So of course, for your convenience, you can quickly uninstall these things. But I'm gonna tap actually maybe later just to explain it further. So now, of course, we still have, like in my case, I have Instagram in here, I have Facebook in here, and of course I have Gmail in the Google folder. They are not exactly hidden. So what I can do now is I can actually uninstall everything from here. So I can uninstall Instagram, I can uninstall Facebook as well. There we go. And if I open the secure folder again, you will see that I still have these apps. So this is how we can hide apps with the secure folder. And of course you want to uninstall apps outside of the secure folder. So if you move something or if you try to hide something that you already have installed, before you uninstall these apps, just make sure that these apps inside the secure folder are properly set up. Just to make sure that you don't miss anything, of course, or just to make sure that you won't uninstall something accidentally or remove something accidentally. And that is pretty much it. Of course, now in order to access these files, these hidden apps, we have to go to the secure folder, we have to know the password, and there we go. There is no way to actually create a shortcut on the home screen for these apps, so the access to these apps is completely restricted in here. And a little Fun fact, I guess, even if I go to the Play Store, let me actually open the Play Store in here, and if I try to find any of these apps that are in the secure folder that I don't have anymore in here, so let's say I'm gonna use Instagram as an example, simply because it is now uninstalled from my phone. As you can see, I still have the install option, even though I technically have it installed. It's just in the secure folder, but the phone doesn't recognize it. So that's a good thing, of course. This allows you to, for example, disguise it as something that is not even on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.